This is the Heatware multifunction heat press from am.co.za. The full package has 9 amazing functions. In this mini-series we have 3 videos that talk about these functions. In this first video we talk about the functions by replacement of the top part. The second video deals with the functions by replacement of the bottom part. And the third video deals with the cup and mug attachments. You can find all 3 videos on YouTube by searching for Achievement Matters videos. Here is the default setup: the t-shirt press with the heating element on top and supporting flat surfaces at the bottom. You can swing the top heating element away and place t-shirts here for pressing. The press is achieved by the press handle, and the top crank wheel is to adjust pressure. But how do you remove this top heating element if you want to make use of the other functions? Step number 1. Allow the element to cool down completely. It gets very hot during operation. Step number 2. Disconnect this power and heat sensor cable. Step number 3. Between these springs that are used for pressure balance there are 2 screws. Loosen them without removing them altogether. Now slide the heating element off slowly. Once the heating element has been removed, you are left with a very basic form of the am.co.za Heatware multifunction heat press. Let's see what we can attach on top for the other functions. Here are 2. The plate press, also called the dish press, one for small plates and one for big plates. Slot the bolts in and fasten. Attach the power cable and heat sensor into the main unit, and the small plate heat press attachment is now installed. Place the plate here and press like this. The bigger plate press works in exactly the same way. Loose the bolts and change. Plug the cable into the main unit and you're ready to use the big plate press. If you want to press the bottom of the plate, you can, but just remember, always choose the press size just big enough to cover your prints. This will concentrate the heat better. The plate press has yet another function. Let's say you wanted to press on a tray with a flat surface. Well, you cannot press onto the center using a normal flat press, but with a plate press you can also work on any tray-shaped object with a flat surface in the center. Here is another attachment that is used for hats, caps and beanies with a curve. To use this attachment you are required to change both top heating element and the bottom support structure. Let's change the top part in the same way by loosening the screws and taking the current attachment off. Then slide the hat press in and fasten. The bottom part also needs to be changed to match the curved surface. Catch all the details in our next video of our 3-part mini-series on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. We sell this heat press combo as well as all individual attachments. Please call our sales on 060 600 6000 or visit Heatware on co.za for more information. Thank you for watching.